So you may or may not have seen the Glamour Case before. This is one of my products that I carry with me when we go somewhere for just a few days, especially when we go camping, when our space is limited in our camper. This is the perfect size to carry all of your little toiletries, your makeup, and everything. So this is the Glamour Case in Island Nights. It zips all the way around on the sides. Okay, you open it up and you have a laminated interior right here. So on the front you have a zipper right here, and this is where I keep like my eyeshadows and my mascara and my eyeliner. And then you have a place for your eyeshadow brushes right here, and you have a little flap to keep it covered. And then on the inside, of course, this is our laminated interior. So this is where I keep all of my little extra things. This is just a great size comparison for you. This is a full-size bottle of dry shampoo along with my lotions and things. But this doesn't have to just be used for makeup and things like that. It could be a great craft bag. You could put your paintbrushes in here and then your little bottles of acrylic paint. It could also be great if you're a knitter. You could put your little needle hooks right here and hook them in, and then have your small little balls of yarn. So this can be used for so many things, and this is the Glamour Case.